Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with GoodBudget step by step clearly. To start budgeting with GoodBudget, first, download the app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, open the app and create a new account. You will need to provide your email address and set a password. After verifying your email, log in to your GoodBudget account. Next, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. You will see envelopes representing your budget categories. Tap on Add Envelope to create a new budget category. Name your envelope, such as groceries or transportation. Set a monthly budget amount for each envelope. Now, go back to the main dashboard. You can also edit existing envelopes if needed. To track your spending, tap on the envelope you want to modify. Select Add Transaction to record a new expense. Enter the amount spent and choose the applicable envelope. You can add notes or tags to categorize your expense further. Once done, save the transaction. Continue adding expenses as you spend throughout the month. To review your spending, go back to the main dashboard. Check each envelope to see how much you have left. Adjust your budgeting strategy as necessary based on your spending patterns. At the end of the month, analyze your overall spending. Use this information to set more accurate budgets for the next month. Repeat this process monthly to improve your budgeting skills over time. Remember to review your progress regularly and make sure to stay disciplined. With GoodBudget, managing your money can become an organized and simple task. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.